right, so how are you doing today? I'm Janice with Hills Leadership and Training Institute. I am going to talk to you about a question I asked on the other day. Who wants to buy from you? So this particular video is going to talk about some ways in which you can help identify your target audience. Now, I've been talking a lot about identifying your target audience because it's really important for you to understand exactly who you are selling to. If I were to identify my target audience, I would say I'm looking for female entrepreneurs over the age of 35 who is looking to really understand how to get in front of their customers. And one of the things that we do here at the Hills Leadership and Training Institute is help educate, train, and develop for their business. So in saying that, what I am going to talk about this morning is how you can find out who wants to buy. Think about when we're looking to find out who exactly is our customer, is that we have to have some type of information or data. So we have to conduct market research. And conducting market research can go from as simple as talking to some of your previous customers to as in-depth as using other tools that helps understand particular customer behavior and patterns. So some of those tools will be things like Google Trends and industry reports. Another way that you can definitely find your customers by analyzing data. So the information that you gather from your market research is going to be the data that you're going to use to help you identify exactly who is your target audience. And you also want to make certain that you're using other information that helps understand who your audience is. And that's things like demographics, right? You want to know exactly where this individual interest lies. And we'll talk a little bit more about demographics once we go into the training for how to build your shopper's persona. Now, this is a training that is going to be here on YouTube, but it's only going to be a real short overview of some of the details that you're going to need. There's also going to be another video or another online course or training that you're going to be able to take advantage of if you want more in-depth detail than what is going to be here on the actual channel. And we'll talk about that a little bit later. Some of the other things that you want to make certain that you're doing is that you're engaging with your customers online. So if you do not have online type presence in either a website or some type of social media, then you want to definitely do that, because a lot of individuals spend time on their phone. We spend time on our phone when we're waiting in line. We spend time on our phone when we're at doctor's appointments. We spend time on our phones when we're a passenger in a car. So that equates to way more time than what you normally would have for individuals sitting in front of a television, which normally takes place after they get off work, right? So we have a lot more opportunities to be in front of our potential customers, and social media allows for us to do that. The other great thing about social media is that they have built-in algorithms that tells individuals what they are interested in. The For You pages that you see on TikTok and other social media platforms is a great way to help you get in front of your potential customer. Some of the other things that you can do, right? Of course, we always want to start off by defining our customer, which I mentioned earlier, but we also can have targeted marketing, right? And this is where we're actually marketing or paying for advertisements that is going to be in front of a particular demographics, which is always a great idea, but only after you've done your market research, right? You really want to make sure that you're spending those advertising dollars in the right area. Customer feedback is another really great way to help identify your shopper's persona. And the reason why we're mentioning this is because if you currently have customers, who is better to tell you about your business and what they find most interesting about your business than someone who's already worked with you? So definitely make certain that you have some way of retaining and keeping those previous customers updated about new and different things that's happening inside of your business. And then of course, networking and partnerships. So you definitely want to make certain that you're taking advantage of networking events, either virtually or in person. Find out your Chamber of Commerce, and they usually host networking events monthly. So you definitely can do that. You can also go over to different locations that advertise events, and you can find events there to mingle with other individuals who are looking to network. I also have a networking platform called HLT Women's Business Networking. And what we do is we definitely meet once a week, and we have what we call a Wind Down Women's Wednesday. And it's just a very small group of individuals who get together through invitation only, and we talk about what we got coming up for the next week and really just kind of encouraging one another to keep moving forward. So if you're looking for information on that particular networking, you are a woman who is 35 years and older, you are an entrepreneur, a small business owner, definitely go ahead and look at either in my bio or inside of the description for more information on how to connect with us on the next networking event. And that's it. Those are the different ways in which we can connect with our target audience. Of course, conduct market research, make certain we have an online presence, ensure that we are speaking to our previous customers through customer feedback, join networking events, and then, of course, definitely make certain that you look out for the Shoppers Persona training that is going to be here on either this channel or my other channel. In either case, I will make the announcement when that particular training is going to drop. And with that, I want you to have a wonderful day. My name is Janice, and I cannot wait to see you in our next video. Bye.